Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about something very special, Allah's beautiful names. Allah has given us many wonderful names to help us know Him better. Each name tells us something amazing about Allah. Are you ready to learn about one of these special names? Today we're going to learn about the name Al-Aziz. Can you say it with me? Al-Aziz. This beautiful name means the Almighty and the All-Powerful. When we say Al-Aziz, we're talking about how Allah is the most powerful being in the entire universe. Let's understand what Al-Aziz really means. When we say Allah is Al-Aziz, we mean that He is the strongest and most powerful. No one and nothing can be more powerful than Allah. He has perfect might and strength that is beyond anything we can imagine. Allah's power never gets weak or tired, and He is always the mightiest of all. We can see Allah's amazing power everywhere in nature. Look at the huge mountains that stand so tall and strong. Allah created them and placed them on earth. Think about the deep, vast oceans that stretch further than our eyes can see. Allah controls every wave and every drop of water. And when we look up at the beautiful sky with its clouds and colors, we're seeing Allah's power in creating such wonderful things above us. Allah's power is so amazing that He takes care of every single creature on earth. From the tiniest ant that crawls on the ground to the biggest elephant in the jungle, Allah watches over them all. He gives each creature exactly what it needs to live and grow. Isn't it wonderful how Allah's power helps even the smallest creatures? Allah uses His mighty power to help and protect us too. He keeps us safe when we sleep and when we're awake. He helps us grow strong and healthy. Allah makes sure we have food to eat and water to drink. Day and night, Allah's power is working to take care of us and give us everything we need. When we know that Allah is Al-Aziz, it makes us feel very safe and loved. Just think about it. The most powerful one in the entire universe is taking care of us. We don't need to be afraid because Allah's strength and power are always there to protect us. It's like having the strongest, most loving guardian watching over us all the time. So remember, dear children, Allah is Al-Aziz, the Almighty, the All-Powerful. When you feel worried or scared, remember that the most powerful one is taking care of you. Let's thank Allah for being our protector and for using His power to help us every single day. We trust in Allah's strength and know that He is always watching over us with His perfect power.